Hello, everybody. I hope you are enjoying the conference. My name is Anett Linno, and I'm from Let's Do It World. And I'm really happy to introduce you one of our projects, Digital Cleanup Day. But before doing so, I would like to give you a brief overview about what is Let's Do It World. So Let's Do It World is a global organization, global network that has teams in 164 countries. And all our teams work towards the same mission. And the mission is to work for the healthy and waste-free world. So our countries have different projects that they are implementing, but on a global level, we have two flagship projects that we are doing. First of them is World Cleanup Day, and the second is Digital Cleanup Day. And to give you a little bit the context, then World Cleanup Day was organized seven times. It has been organized 7 times. And within those 7 cleanups, we have gathered, or our network has gathered, more than 114 million people in 211 countries. And our second flagship project is Digital Cleanup Day that I am really happy to tell you more about. Adrian Friday said this morning that action taken now is better than action taken later. And this is also the principle of Let's Do It World, that we need to take action. So Digital Cleanup Day, most of all, is awareness raising campaign, which draws attention to digital waste and digital pollution. Because we want people to understand that everything that they do in online space or in digitally, it has consequences. And you have probably heard what those consequences are, so I'm not going very deeply into this subject, but digital waste is also contributing into creating physical waste. It's contributing into enormous consumption of energy and, of course, also to the CO2 emission production. So, and this is like the awareness that we would like to raise through this Digital Cleanup Day project. Now, second, what we do is to promote the digital minimalism by providing these kinds of step-by-step guidelines that how everybody individually can diminish their digital waste. And for us, digital waste is the data that is created online, but it is not used anymore. And third, and I would even say that the most importantly, this Digital Cleanup Day is contributing into creating good digital habits. Because if we take continuous care about our online environment, just as we are doing the same with our physical environment, we are cleaning up our room and our physical environment. The same should apply also in our online environment. And well, Digital Cleanup Day is taking place on 15th of March, and we have dedicated 1 day for it. But we also say that every day can be Digital Cleanup Day, so we don't have to wait until that day, but we can clean up our devices every day. Now, how to participate? Well, the main message is to delete all the unnecessary content from all our devices, from our mobile phones, from our computers, etc. Then report those results on our Digital Cleanup Day website, and then consistently keeping all the devices clean. And I would like to show you what we have prepared for you and for everybody who are interested in taking part of Digital Cleanup Day. So if you go to digitalcleanupday.org website, then you can find here quite a lot of information, facts and figures about digital waste, which is answering to the question why we need to clean up our devices. Also, we have created these kinds of step-by-step guidelines that how individuals can take part of Digital Cleanup Day and how organizations can do the same. And in the resources pool, we have a lot of resources and materials, again, mostly about how to participate, but also, for example, if anybody would like to organize Digital Cleanup Day in your school or in your organization, or just disseminate this information in social media, then we have prepared all the marketing materials that are free to use for everybody. So, and one of my favorite material or resources that how to clean up your computer and your drive and your mobile phone, because it will give like a very detailed overview where you can find the data that is stored in your computer, where you can find the data that is stored in cloud, etc. And also there's information about how to share your results with us. And on our website, you can also share the results. And this is really, really important. And there are actually I would bring out two reasons why sharing your Digital Cleanup Day results with us is important. First of all, when you do that, you will be part of our global community. You will contribute into this global community. So when you will, send your data to us, then you can already be sure, okay, I'm part of it. Yes, I'm not alone. And the second reason is that as an organization and as a project, we also need to show what is the impact of Digital Cleanup Day. And for that, it is important for us to gather the numbers of participants, of where those people who are participating are located, and how much data was deleted in the devices. So shortly in numbers, Digital Cleanup Day first time took place on 2020 when the COVID hit, and within 6 cleanups, over almost 1.2 million people have attended from 175 countries, and over 14.5 million gigabytes of data has been deleted from the digital devices. And it's growing because we are continuing with organizing Digital Cleanup Days. So if you would like to take part of Digital Cleanup Day, then please do that. It takes place on 15th of March, but as I said, you don't have to wait until that day. You can do it every week, every month, however is convenient for you, or whatever, how much it is needed. So I hope that you got more information about what you personally or individually can do in order to diminish your digital footprint. So thank you so much for listening, and I'm happy to also answer some questions.